Hi everyone, this is Felisa. So yes, you're probably saying, what has Felisa done? I moved my cerulean slash teal items from my home office to my living room just to play around with the color in the living room just to see, how it looked for the holidays. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. At the end of the video, I'll let you know where the items came from, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas! Okay, love, so let me just briefly tell you what I've done in the living room since you've seen it during my home tour. So what I did was, first things first, is I moved this tree. This tree was in my home office, and in my home office, I have the colors cerulean, gold, and white. So let me see if I can make this a little lighter. It's a little lighter. So anyway, I moved this tree out of the home office. How did I do that? I put a sheet under the legs of the tree and I just drug it. I just pulled the sheet, and then when I got to the door, I just had my husband to tilt it and we just pulled it out. Maybe 2 balls fell off, nothing broke or anything like that, because the balls that fell off were plastic, and we just put it here. And I didn't have to redecorate it or anything like that. I took the red ribbon off of my reindeer and put them under the tree. The tree that I had here, I put it in my guest bedroom. I pulled that vase. That vase came from Z Gallery. I love this vase here. It's very unique. I love unique decor pieces. Vase from Z Gallery. These I've had for a couple of years, came from At Home. These pics came from Z Gallery. This picture here came from HomeGoods. My drapes came from HomeGoods. Most of the items on this tree actually came from, let me see here. These funny looking things here came from Pier 1. The white balls here came from At Home. This came from Michael's last year. This came from HomeGoods. These here came from Macy's. What else came from Macy's? This ornament here came from Macy's. All my peacock feathers came from Michael's. Everything in the tree topper came from Michael's. This little piece here came from Macy's. These balls came from HomeGoods. This ball here came from Walmart. Let's see here. This came from Walmart. This is a pick here. This whole piece can come out of here. It actually came from Hobby Lobby. The Merry Christmas ribbon came from Michael's last year. And this little string of berries here that I have draped down the tree actually came from Pier 1 last year. And I have a few other ornaments in here, such as this mirrored star here. It came from Pottery Barn like many years ago. This little thingy here, this chandelier came from Macy's. This reindeer came from Macy's. This little ornament here came from HomeGoods. This super cute ornament here came from Macy's. My piece little ornament came from At Home last year. And I think that's pretty much it that I have in the tree that you may be interested in. And then I can move on around here. My lamps came from Z Gallery. This little piece right here is super cute. I planned on using these in a tablescape. They came from Lowe's. My nesting tables came from Z Gallery. The pillows on the end came from Z Gallery. The pillows in the middle came from Z Gallery. The ones here with the gold square is a DIY by me. My wall sconces came from Z Gallery. They're on sale right now for 28 bucks. And the picture in the middle came from HomeGoods. And my mirror on this end came from Z Gallery. Another pillow, Z Gallery. Throw from Z Gallery. My accent table here came from At Home a couple of years ago. Reindeer from HomeGoods. The ginger jar from HomeGoods as well. Moving on to the items that's on my coffee table. The coffee table came from Wayfair. The little reindeer on the coffee table came from Inspire Me Home Decor. And the Ming boxes came from Z Gallery. Candle from lights.com. This super cutie item here came from HomeGoods. They had them in silver and gold. Christmas tree from HomeGoods. My coasters from Wayfair. Moving over on this side, wall art from HomeGoods. The trees came from Walmart. I so love them. My most favorite find for this holiday season was these two trees on the side of my entryway table. The candle holders came from Bath and Body Works. And guys, guess what? They had them this year. So like I was saying, they had them this year, but they made them a little different. It has like some ridges in them, but yes, I had to pick me up another set because I love these so much. This was like a birthday gift for me. So this is one, but I do have the other one on my dining room table. So what I did, I had red balls in here. I pulled them out and put the gold and teal. This lantern here came from Z Gallery, and the deer and the Christmas trees at the bottom came from At Home last year. This ginger jar here is super cute. I love it. It was a steal from HomeGoods. And the stand that the ginger jar is sitting on actually came from HomeGoods as well. And another item that I'm loving is this chandelier. This chandelier actually came from ET2 Lights. They gifted it to me on Instagram. Super cute. I'll try to leave the link below to that just in case you want to check it out. But let me show you. So that's the light. And there it is with the lights on. Super cute light. I love it. So I want to wish each and every one of you a merry and safe Christmas, because coronavirus is still actively and hot in a lot of the states and cities and countries. So be sure you are masking up, staying 6 feet apart, and washing your hands. And again, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.